Hello everyone, welcome to our third class. In this class we're gonna work with sensors of our Linky car. Let me explain about sensors. In our car has 5 IR sensors, uh, 2 in the bottom to detect the lines and follow them, and 3 detect obstacles, front, left and right side. So IR sensors are basically electronic devices which are used to sense the change that occur in their surroundings. The change may be in color, temperature, moisture, sound, heat, and etc. They sense the change and work accordingly. In IR sensors, there is an emitter and detector. The emitter emits the IR rays and detector detects it. And the IR sensor basically consists of 3 components: IR LED emitter, photodiode detector, and operation amplifier. In order to get more information, you can uh, go through this link and read about IR sensors. Uh, it was information about IR sensors. Today we have new challenge, guys. This is our circle line. We're gonna use bottom IR sensors to follow the lines, and we are calling as line tracing task, and how we can force our car to follow the line. Let's see the case study. Our bottom sensors detect the black line and gives some values. For example, 2 bottom IR sensors get some values. When the car goes to the straight black line, but if the car goes to the right or left side, uh, the bottom IR sensors values will change. When our Linky car goes to the left, according to sensors values, we can give some command turn right side. Or if the car goes to the right side, we can give command turn the left side using values of both IR sensors. Let's start our scratch coding class, guys. So, let's start our coding part. So go to the control panel, and here we should choose our starting point. Then when we start, we should check our IR sensors, bottom IR sensors. So in order to check our IR sensor, we need forever loop. We need to check all our sensors using create some variables. I already created. Let me delete this one. Delete, and we should set our bottom sensors. So I will choose this one and this one. As you can see, we don't have anything here, so it means that we need to create some variable. So let me write BL bottom left sensor and click the make a variable again and write the bottom right sensor and OK. So if you click here, you can see our variables. So set the first one bottom left and second one bottom right. So after that, we need to get analog data. We should go to the Linky. We need to set our IR sensors. So choose the analog reading and click here. you can see the 5 like A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. This is our IR sensors. First 3 sensor, this is front, left and right side sensor, and A3 and A4, these are our bottom sensors. Let me choose A3 for the first bottom left and click analog reading and put the here like this, and again take one and choose A4, then put this one here. It means that set bottom right sensor to analog reading A4. We are getting values from bottom right sensor, and keep this one and put our for loop. It means that when we click the green flag, our sensor gets some value. So let me show this one first. If you click, so let's check our bottom sensor. So you can see it's two bottom sensors, left and right. So I will put these bottom sensors like white color, and we can see the values of this left and right part. So like, see, this is white part. So now I will put in black one. So see here, and black one. So result will like more than 900. More than 900. So let me check like this, change, and black, white, and black. So this like this. This is white, and this is black. You can see that boundary of the black and white is more than 900. Less than 900, it will be white. So we checked our value of the black color. We need because we have in our challenge we should follow this black line color. This is circle. So now we checked our sensors. Then we should next step we should check our moving conditions. When our car is moving, we need to check our sensors also. So in order to give some condition, we should go to the control and choose the if else condition, and after that go to the operators. So in operators menu we have logical operators. We have to use some logical operators and or not. Let me explain what is that. So here you can see is our logical operator, and our logical operator is very like the concept of the logical operators is simple. They allow a program to make a decision based on multiple conditions. Each operator is considered a condition that can be evaluated to a true or false value, and then the value of the conditions is used to determine the overall value of the operators or grouping. The following examples demonstrate different ways that logical conditions can be used. For example, AND operator like boss relations must be true for the complex expression to be true. For example, a more than or equal to 90 and a less than or equal to 100 means values which between the 90 and 100. And for example, OR operator, if either relation is true, the complex expression is true. For example, a more than 7 or a less than 3, like that. And NOT operator is used to convert true values to false and false values to true. In other words, it inverts a value. For example, if not a less than 20. This is our logical operator, and let's continue our coding part. Here I choose OR operators, and also here we need to put this one less or more. We need to put this one, and here I should put bottom left and bottom right. I will explain you why I choose this one. Then right here 900. Before we checked our sensor's value, it was 900. So it means that if our bottom left less than 900 or bottom right less than 900, do something we will write here. So before that, let me check also using if condition again. If condition, inside the if condition, check the one by one. Go to the operator again and put here this operation also here. Then go to the variables and put again button left and button right, and write here 900, and here also 900. Then after that, here we are checking two conditions, this one or this one, and again we are checking one by one each sensor we are checking here also. And we should do some operation here. So go to the Linky and put the DC motor here, one, and here, next one. So after that, also same step, choose the DC motor again and put here. And if else for the else condition also we are choosing DC motor. So then we should set our motors and speed and directions. Let me choose 20 and 0 here, and it will be forward direction. This is forward direction. Let me choose M1 and M2, and speed will be 0 and 20, and also forward direction. So here I will write M1 and M2, speed 20 and 20, both of of them and give the forward direction. So let me explain our code through this way, like this, put here, and so we can see that if our bottom left and bottom right side more than 900, it means that go straight. It means our sensors on the black line. But for example, our bottom left less than 900, it means that our car turned to the left side. In this case, we should give the some comment like DC motor with left side with 20 speed and right side with 0. It means that this our car turned to the right. Or our bottom right sensor less than 900, this our right bottom sensor less than 900 value of the sensor. It means that our DC motors with left side 0 and right side with 20 speed turn to the left side. It means come back to the on black line. Through this way we are control our car follow this black line. In other case we are using go straight command. DC motor with 20 left side and right side with 20 speed. This is our like go straight. First one, turn right and turn left command. And now we need to put this our condition inside our loop. So like this. So now we almost finished our coding part for line tracing. Let's see the result, guys. In order to stop our car, just change the go straight forward to stop, and our car will stop.